There's a new trigger for headaches and a new trigger for neck stiffness, upper back stiffness, and it's related to 2020, because what's happening is that with the whole COVID situation, so many places are spraying so much chemicals that people that work in schools and people that work in food establishments and many other businesses that are open to the public are using so many chemicals as an employee there, or you're exposed to it too as a consumer, but the employees are ones that are really exposed to it, that they are getting headaches because it's overloading our detoxification abilities. And so some people have great detoxification pathways and can handle about anything, and this is not going to faze them. And others have very poor detoxification pathways. Myself, for example, I could take you through my genetic testing and show you where I have poor detoxification pathways. I wouldn't do so good in all these chemicals. But one of the things that I would be doing, and I would recommend you do if you're around a lot of these chemicals, is this product here called Cruciferous Complete from Standard Process. And what Cruciferous Complete is, it's organic kale and organic Brussels sprouts. And this product, which is gluten-free as you can see, it supports the phase 1 and phase 2 liver detoxification pathways. So our liver has 2 phases to detoxify something, and it supports both phases, which is a big deal. And this is 100% organic, 100% pure stuff. Debbie and I have been on the farm, Standard Process Farms in southern Wisconsin, right when they were planting the little broccoli or the Brussels sprouts into the field. So it's amazing stuff. They have special harvesting techniques. They process it in the facility less than 2 miles away. So it's a whole amazing process there. Unless you're just going to ramp up your cruciferous vegetables, and you can do that, and it would be important to ramp up your cruciferous vegetables. But if you're not a big cruciferous vegetable eater, then get some Cruciferous Complete. And that's something that we'll have a direct link below the video where you can order it, or you can order it from our website, winnerswellness.com. But if you know this whole situation with headaches and being exposed to chemicals is part of a bigger picture for you, then you might want to get some help. In that case, you can contact us for a nutrition consult, and we can help you and guide you in the right direction and determine any other products that may help and any testing that may need to be done and so on. The other thing that we'll use a lot is something like homeopathics, like this is Systemic Detox from Desk Bio. They also make one specifically called Household Cleaners, and the only reason I'm not showing it to you is because we've used so much of it lately with people. But homeopathics work with signaling the body that, hey, I'm here, this is a problem, come deal with it. And that's how those work, and nutrition works in a different way to support our health. And so I like a combination a lot of times of both things. And so anything that you can do during this time to increase your detoxification abilities is very important. You want to be exercising. You want to be getting in the outdoors if you can. You want to be doing some deep breathing. In our office we use an ionic foot bath, which is controversial on the internet, but they really do work, and I've got a video on that. But you want to be ramping up your detoxification abilities right now, because lots of people are getting exposed to lots of chemicals, and it is starting to show up as a significant problem for some people that have poor detoxification abilities. So keep that in mind. Just know that you can do things like the homeopathics, you can do things like ramping up your cruciferous vegetables, and if you're not a big vegetable eater like that, you can take it in capsule form in Cruciferous Complete. So if you have further questions on this, post below here on Facebook or on YouTube. Subscribe to us on YouTube, like us on Facebook. I'm Dr. Michael Winters, Winters Wellness, Chiropractic Redefined.